Hi everyone, you're watching FX, and in this video, as usual, I will show you the results of this trading week and also a little bit of my thoughts about trading gold this new coming week, okay? So, okay guys, I just want to show you through FX Blue. First of all, as you can see the equity and balance on the screen right now, 154.668.12, and here's the confirmation on FX Blue that's the same account I have been showing you for a while. I just didn't show you through this site for quite a while, so I thought today I will show it to you here. And statement is going to be for this week. For the results of the month, I'll show you in my other video. I'll just make a separate small video, guys. Okay, we want to go for stats. Okay. And here's already put it as a week. As you can see this week, guys, it was $2,500 profit, as you can see on the screen right now. So I just want to show you the filter that you know is definitely for this week. So I put the 1st of April, and wherever it shows day today is 8th of April. I'm making this video and filtering again, and here's the result once again. So it's the same number, as you can see. And it was holiday week, right? Just as I was telling you last time. Let's see what happened from the previous overview when we were here. That's where our week started, where expectation was exactly as we stayed in triangle, right? First the move was down to right to the level of the triangle, then we had a move back up, and then after a consolidation a little bit, looking like a creation of a small bullish flag, the strong move was up, breaking out the triangle. Okay, so remember when I was making a video last week, I was talking about this possibilities, expectations for gold, because we know it's a little bit slow today, okay, that gold likes to take tops and bottoms, right, and create new maximums and minimums. So to be honest, with the holiday week, my expectation was more that the market would still stay inside the triangle, right? So I thought we would still stay there. There was the news on Friday, the strong news and non-farm payroll, except well, the gold was closed on Friday, but with the other pairs, for example, I was looking like at pound, euro, nothing happened, right? So absolutely nothing happened. And so the numbers were not that bad out there, so they were like close to what was expecting, a little bit lower than the previous result, obviously. So it's at this moment again a lot of confusion and not clear where the market will go next, right? Well, for all the pairs, and for dollar, of course, the most important for dollar, where is it going to get stronger or weaker, and is the Fed is going to change the interest rates, which now the market is pretty much accepting that 25 points it probably they probably will rise, but what afterwards? Will they do rise again? Will they pause, or will they even cut rates? So next week we are going to have some news, right? So it probably will be again well, I would say slow start, but you see, you can't really say now. You see, my expectation was it wouldn't be as strong, except I was telling you the market probably will be very volatile, and such big moves was expectation too. So for this opening of the market, so of course my expectation would be that we will probably have a gap, okay, because uncertainty, I think the gap will be down, to be honest. I think it will jump down, and then afterwards my expectation would be probably it will not try to straight go up and close the gap, wherever it will be big or small, who knows, and then probably we'll be waiting for the news, for the next news, which will be on Wednesday, right? So we'll have Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will be news, but Wednesday would be quite important news. So that's, I kind of expecting something like this, the opening of the gap, then sit and wait what is going to happen. So At this moment, as you can see, there is nothing open. Will I place my orders? Also, it would have to be at the opening to see what is going to be there, if I can place my orders. So once again, if you're watching for the first time, I trade and I share my orders, right? And I can show you again. You can join, it's absolutely free, my Telegram channel, right? So this is where I send my pending orders, okay? Sometimes I send instantly, but I decided not to do it because you will not make it, because sometimes the trade instantly could close in like few seconds, and it could be too late. You really need to be all the time with your Telegram on to catch the instant trades. So that's why I do have instant trades, but most of the time when I'm sending here, it's pending orders. So you have plenty of time to look at those orders. If you want to also follow, you can also place your orders, follow like me, what I do. But once again, I'm warning you guys that all the risks, all the money management, you have to calculate yourself, okay? Wherever I show you, this is my trading, this is my risks and my money, and I take full responsibility for myself. So exactly, you following me, my signals, it's all your responsibility. I'm not responsible for any profits or losses you're going to make. Okay, guys, so this is just a warning. But once again, that's how you can see the my screenshots. Once again, my Telegram channel name is Jana FX. Once again, right? So you can find link in the description under this video. Okay, guys, also some of you asking about the brokers, and you can also look in the description under my video the brokers I'm working with, okay? And if you have any questions, of course you can ask me, you can write to me on my email. I have it's in the description in the video, not in the video, in of the channel, description of the channel. And also I'm quite often on my Instagram, which is Janka Anglichanka. Also you can find the link in the description under this video. I would suggest don't contact me through Facebook, because I'm not very often out there, and through the messages on the Facebook, so better contact really through Instagram, to be honest. It's easier, or email, of course, my email. Two best options to do so if you have any questions. And pretty much, as you know, I'm using JFX Line Trader Pro, which is my EA also. If you are interested, it's easier to place the orders if you want to follow the same way of placing the orders and taking the trades. So you can find the link in the description also under this video. Okay, so yeah, at this moment, of course, technically looking for gold. Well, here's interesting, because I'm still looking into gold go for correction, like more bearish, because I was explaining to you all of these strong movements, and I would say still gold needs to go and a bit of for correction, but I mean, it doesn't have to, because it's gold, it can do whatever it wants. But I mean, at this moment, it's a little bit settled down with the banking crisis, I mean, all the situation at this moment, like back to what it was. Well, not 100% obviously, so yes, there is still risks of anything, so which could make gold still continue to go up. Okay, we still have the top level. I don't know if I can go, because it's been a little bit slow. Don't know what's wrong with my system today. It just doesn't want to go easy. So here we still have those two tops, right? And which is about 2071 and a little bit higher. So gold is like really close to those highs. At this moment, it took pretty much all the previous tops, right? And those little ones in here, and now those pins, right? It has left those two pins, and like I'm saying, I'm not going to be surprised if it will decide to go and take those pins and create another high, right? Like wherever, like to 100. So it's quite possible it can do so, but technically I would say it probably needs a little bit of correction. We still have another trend level. I just removed it because I don't want to have too many levels, but this is the bigger channel, right? So that's the where we have like 1 hour bottom, we have two tops, okay, and this the next stop in here got right still on the edge of our level, this one. Okay, so it's that one. So it kind of broke it a little bit, and you see it's right crossing it. So with this red candle you see in a daily time frame, and that's why in here technically I would say that I would have waited for that to continue the way down, for example. But again, like I'm saying, technically not looking into wherever the news are going to bring. And you know, the 1869 where we still have a gap. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to fill in, but like I'm saying, it can take, you see, sometimes it can take minutes, sometimes it can take days, weeks, months, and could be even years. Yes, so it still can go higher and then started to go back, but it will definitely come back there at some point. So at this moment we still didn't get out from this bigger trend, right, from this bigger one. That's why I would say I would be waiting for correction. Okay, so I would be looking into that, but I'm going to remove it for now. Don't want just too much, just showing to you the picture. And with the again, doesn't want to do the bigger time frames, very slow today. I don't know. We come out from remember that flag that was looking like a bullish flag on a bigger time frame. Okay, it doesn't want to do it, but that's the level. So roughly that's the level. And that's what I was saying, like, for example, it went up, and then if, for example, it will go back down and try to pull back from it, then I would be a little bit more towards that it should go high afterwards. Okay, so, but like I'm saying, it's gold, and it can decide and go wherever it wants. That's why it's really no point again to, you saw my orders, right? It doesn't matter, we did this week trades and we caught all the moves, and the smaller moves and the bigger moves, we got it all. Okay, I took it all, and well, whoever followed me also would have taken all of these movements. So that's what I'm saying, doesn't matter, yes, my expectation, what I'm thinking, I have all these different scenarios, but doesn't really matter which way it goes, as long as it moves nicely and smoothly enough for us to get into the trade, get some profit, and hopefully to get even more. Okay, when it's moving, you see, I'm not doing like crazy unsafe trading. It's reasonable lot size. I'm not going for high, even such a big account, yes, because it's not safe to do so. That's why I'm encourage you to use the lowest lot size, okay, for when you are following my trades. Okay, so yeah, from here now, let's see if it will try to go back. To be honest, if it will go back inside the triangle, then I would be even more towards that. If it goes back to inside triangle, then it's probably will continue to go even further down. Okay, so at this moment, yes, it looks like it's turning around, but the news can change the picture. So that's just a little bit of overview, guys. Like I'm saying, what is going to be happening is just like now waiting for the opening of the market, and then looking for those possible entry points. So yeah, that's it for now. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell so you ain't gonna miss new videos, and join the Telegram channel Jana FX, which is absolutely free. And I hope you had well, I hope you're having actually nice holidays. Okay, to all of you who celebrate Easter, happy Easter. And I'll see you, happy trading next week, right? And I see you in my talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.